How to install TP-Link Tapo app. So just tap get and then double click to install, and you should be able to install this app. Remote control from anywhere, mighty features to build a smart home, easy setup and use. Share to your families, free up your hands with voice control. Set up, manage and control Tapo home security, camera, smart plugs, smart lighting and more, all from the Tapo app. Tapo aims to help you live a smarter, easier and more secure life. Control from afar, know what's going on, automate your home with smart actions, hands-free voice control. So yep, that's the app, and then you can just open it up. You can allow notifications. You need to give access to some permissions. So you need to go and search for Tapo app in your settings. Oh, why it's a Tapo. So probably it's just not yet appearing, which is a bit annoying, but you can just scroll it down. If you have a lot of apps, it can be so here's Tapo, and then actually I don't have that permission. So, and then basically then you can just create a TP-Link ID. Then you just need to enter a TP-Link ID, email, for example. Then you create your password. And then you need to activate it. It's for some reason it just goes to some junk folder, and then you can just activate it. And then there it is finally. So this is your app. You have your cameras, which you can add. There are vacuums, cleaners, which you can add. There are smart devices. And then there is your account, like quite advanced app here, widgets and all those things. And then you just start with adding a device from the top. And you can also create a group of devices, like just devices for cleaning or devices for lighting, whatever. So yeah, something around it. So try it out.